Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. This is GHkins. So in this video I'm going to do another crochet braids. I'm using the Bobbi Boss braids. So it comes in three length. It comes in 14 inches, 16 and 18 inches. So this is the French dip. So this is how the hair looks like, and I got 3 packs, and I got this for $12.99 per pack. And I got the hair in color T1B/27. So I'm going to start off with the 18 inches. I'm going to go in at the back and at the sides, and when I'm done with all 3 packs 18 inches, I'm gonna move on to the 16 inches and then the 14 inches. Guys, before I start with the 18 inches, so the 18 inches is in the back of the hair, okay? And I also use the 18 inches on my first 3 cornrows on each side, and I just top it up with the 16 inches, okay? So this is how it's looking like. So basically I've used like 2 packs of hair, okay? So yeah, because each pack of hair comes in like 12 bundles, 18, 16 and 14, and I've used the 18 and 16 from each pack, and I bought 3 packs of hair. So this is how it's looking like. I'm gonna show you guys the back of the hair. So yeah, basically this is how the hair is looking like. I do like the hair. Alright guys, so for the front, I'm going to be using the 14 inches. That's the only pack that I have. Hey guys, so this is the final look of the hair. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I used all 3 packs, and y'all know I love big hair, so yeah. So I started with the 18 inches from the back, and as I told you guys, I did 3 cornrows in the front with the 18 inches as well. Then I went in with the 16 inches, and then I finished it up with the 14 inches, and this is how it looks like. So it's basically like layered. That's the final look, and let me just stand up for you guys to see. And I hope you guys enjoy this hair style, I guess. I do like it. So yeah, this is how it's looking like. This is how long it is, and yeah, I didn't separate the hair as I told you guys. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I would love to answer your questions. And lastly, I thank you all for watching this video, and if you haven't done so, please feel free to like, comment and subscribe. Share with your friends, your loved ones, your enemies. I love you all, and God loves you more, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.